umbrella back, guys.
Yo, YouTube! Hello. This is me Bamba. Thingy.
Oh my
What's his
God.
name? Oscar. This is me Bamba Oscar. You know. Look at his arm. Look at his arm. Look at the jiggle. Oh my God, he's jiggling. He's jiggling.
That's scary.
Where are we going?
Guys, how do I get my umbrella back?
You have to go to flipping like here shop. You have to go to shop, right? And then you have to scroll. Yeah, I got a light. Oh damn! I got a flipping flashlight. What else can I get? Oh, yeah, I want a bag. Oh, give me a bag. What's this? I want a flipping bag. Give me the damn bag. Hey, me Bamba,
Wait,
I got a
is
bag.
it backpack?
Me Bamba, how do I take this stuff off? That's the drop. Oh! Right, so oh, how do I turn it off? Oh, that's not how. Alright, so I'm flashing you! I'm flashing you!
Leave me alone!
I'm
How do I get my
flashing
umbrella
you!
back?
Alright, anyways, what does this mean? Can I go in? Yahoo!
Help me!
Oh my God! I'm swimming! Me Bamba! What the hell? Oh, I don't want to go down.
Okay.
Bro, what the hell? I'm gonna go down. I don't want to. What the hell? I just realized. There's a pin me Bamba gun down here. Is that an RPG? Oh. Bro, how is he swimming down so fast?
Oh, I think I see the exit.
Let me go down, maybe, bro. Ah. Oh no! Oh, this is a touching stuff. How do I get out? Oh, what the hell? Oh, hey.
You're here.
Oh, shoot.
I need to get my umbrella back.
How do
Oh, follow me.
Oh, no.
Follow
No!
me.
No, my light! Hold up, bro. I need to get me torch.
Wait, guys,
Bamba.
it's not an animal company. And just... This is actually a sick game, to be fair. Wait,
But how do I
we
put
were
stuff
all the
inside
way
my
on
bag?
top.
That's like... Oh, and then can I put this in?
No, guys.
I'll get in.
Yeah, no. Not gonna do that. How do I get my umbrella back?
You have to... I think it... Yeah.
Wait, guys.
Oh.
How do you have, like, the bolt?
What bolt?
Ah, Stinky!
You're
stinky.
Stinky boy! Stinky boy! No, get away from me, bro. Oh no. I'll go down. See you later.
I'd rather be stinking than down there, mate. Ah!
Yes, and I escaped. Come on. And now I'm gonna hide. Oscar. 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 Oh. Oscar, me Bamba. Are you there? I don't think he's definitely still there. Me Bamba. Bro, he will never, ever, ever find me here. Hello? I want to talk to him. How do I talk to him? What pin? Hello? Oscar? Hello? Hi, Oscar. Where are you? Oscar? This is radio. Just speak into like that little watch thing, and then I think you can speak back. So if you want to talk, just do that. Over. And you have to kind of put it inside of your mouth. I think that's how it works. Hopefully you hear this right now. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully you hear me. Well, is he still even online? Oh, bro, I don't even know. Hello, Oscar. Hey, Oscar. Oscar, I'm coming down now. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm coming down. Remember.
Radio.
Ah!
Oh, how do I get the map? How do I get the radio on?
Just do this. Wait, can you do it too? On the other hand, the watch hand. The watch hand.
Oh, hello, I've got it. Over. Let's get out of here alive.
Wait, can you actually hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I can.
I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Over.
I can hear you, but over.
They're coming towards me. Please, green light.
Kitchen, are you there?
They're very
Over.
creepy, bro.
I'm gonna
Help
get
me.
out.
There's a bomb.
Through the wall.
Bro, there's a bomb. What the heck? The hell no. Alright, Oscar, I just died. I'm coming back down. So talk to me. Talk to me, alright? I'm coming back down. Me bamba.
Yo, are you alive? No, that's not you. Are you alive? Go
I
up.
died.
Go
How do we
up.
go up?
Push against the walls hard. Trust. We can get
I'm
out.
just gonna go through here. I'm gonna try doing it. Oh crap, I'm definitely gonna
Right, let's go.
die.
What are you gonna do, you banana? Well, you look like a bum cheek, mate. Oh crap.
Oh, by the way, do you know that man? Yeah, it kind of turns alive. So I think.
Leave me alone.
It killed me over.
Yeah, I know. Didn't move. Ref, I didn't move. I swear to God, I didn't move. Please, don't kill
You're alive.
me. Oh my God. Oh, bro, can
You're
you
that
jiggle
one
again?
person on stream.
Jiggle again, bro. Sweet Jesus, bro. Alright, stop moving. I need like
No, I need to
4K
get my
on this, bro.
umbrella back.
4K on this, bro. Give me flipping 4K on this. Oh, we have a really... oh my God. Oh, I have coins.
Oh, to be fair, that's such a decent class.
Oh, you think he follow me, bro? Follow me. Follow me.
Yeah.
Trust. I'm a monkey. Monkey business. Let's flush a toilet. Hey, Bamba. Are you down there? Nah. Alright, so there has to be something here. Hold on, this VR headset's bad. What the heck? Not bad, one gem. Yeah, Bamba! Oh my God. Bamba. How do I leave? Oh. What? I think that is that one. I think. Expand pockets. Pockets. Bro, but I don't have a weapon. But I'll just smash. Rami Bamba. Down. You know what? Flipping hell. Help! Help! How do I get out? Smash the glass. Grab on. Oh! Oh, I cannot grab. Skill activated. Let's go. Where are you? I don't know how to get out. Oh, never mind. I know how to get out now. There's just a big sign saying export. Oh shoot. You know what? If I die, oh god. I think. Oh, I'm gonna die here. Oh, never mind. It's just a floor. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Hey, you know, I'm never touching that. Oscar. Oscar, where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Me Bamba,
Where'd
are
you
you
go?
down the toilet?
Toilet? Where's there a toilet? Oh, hello. Oh, damn. Where'd you go?
I don't know.
Oh!
Oh Lord, I want to get him.
My dog wants me. Okay. I know, I have a light
Oh, what do
bulb.
you mean? I already own that. Oh, what do you mean? Weapons?
Oh, well, it failed.
Oh, so this is my first weapon. Are you actually serious?
I know, it just came unstuck. I'm gonna stick it down with some glue that it came with.
Right,
Alright.
but I own that. No. Yeah,
Bang,
you stunned me.
Are you kitchen? Come with me, yeah.
Wait, but I have enough.
Oh, come here. Come
Oh,
here.
no, that's nuts. Remember. I got stick.
Oh, you kitchen? Come here, yeah.
Remember. I have the stick of wisdom.
Come on, I'll scrap you.
I am. Hold up.
Come on, let's
I have a good idea.
fight.
Hold up. I have a good idea.
Oh, should we take the sticks down? Wait, where'd you get the stick from? Were it free?
Nah, it's 25 V-Bucks. Of course it's free. Where are we going?
Wait, hold on, where is it?
Me hiking! Bro, it's a weapon. You whack people with it. You flipping go.
Ah, there it is. Oh, look.
Oh no, I broke both my sticks.
Oh, your kitchen. Let's go down there and thingy.
Me Bamba, where? Down there?
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Me Bamba. Sticks! It's red.
I'm scared. We're here. Let's go.
It's red. Yeah. Now. How do I get nuts, bro? I love me nuts. Bro, I just want me nuts. Bro. Give me me. Jeez, bro. Try to leave him. No. Hey, Bam Bam, coming down. Bro, I'm coming back
No,
down.
don't.
I died. Me Bamba.
I'm here. Where are you?
How did I die? I'm flying. I'm dead. Hell yeah, I'm dead. Right, stick and stick. Oscar, where are you? I'm saying this again. Oscar, where are you? Alright, Oscar, I'm coming down. If you have anything to say it right now, because I'm coming down in 3, 2, 1.
Do not come down. I repeat, do not come down.
Why? Why?
I'm dead. I died. Where are you?
I'm kind of already jumped off. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that I already kind of jumped down. Come on. I know a better place.
Oh, I'm alive. Help, Kaiosan, help. Help.
Where am I?
Kitchen, please.
Bro, I don't know where I am.
I'm stuck in the hole.
Bro, did you just climb up? I jumped somewhere, now I don't know where I am.
Kaiosan, help, please.
Bro, I don't know where you are.
I'm in the hole. I got out.
Bro,
Bro,
just jump up. Just jump up. Bro, just jump up. It's not that hard.
Help. I'm
Bro,
slipping.
I can't help you. I don't know where I am.
Going for the jump.
Bro, where are you?
Oh, no. I'm in the hole. I repeat, I'm in the hole.
Bro,
Help.
look how easy it is to jump out. Bro, yeah, I'll drop both my sticks.
No.
Look how easy it is just to come back up. This guy. Me Bamba. Oscar, just die. Literally just run when it's red and then just die and then come back. But I kind of don't know where I am. Can I jump somewhere? I do know where I am though. I'm just trying to jump scare and die. I'm in the bush. I wish I'd... Oscar, where are you? Are you dead? Oscar, I'm coming down. 3, 2, 1. I'm down. Oscar?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Wait, oh guys, give me a second.
Oh, damn. Am I still alive? Get in. No, I have no idea where I am. Nope, nope, nope. Hell yeah. What the heck is that? Oh no. I'm going down. Oscar, I'm going down a hole. I don't know where I am. Ah! Bro, I'm kind of very, very deep right now. I have no idea where I am. Oh shoot! No, I'm falling. I think I'm dead. Ah! Yep, I'm dead. Oh my damn, that's me. Oscar, are you here? Oh damn, he left. No. Right. Anyways, I'm gonna do a bit more. Nothing. Just live. But that. How can I use this? Oh my god. Right, you know what? 22. I'm at 3%. Right. So guys, this is gonna be my last adventure for this video. I'm so sorry that I wasn't really speaking. But because I'm kind of all by myself, talking to no one. I'm so lonely. Yeah, anyways, I'm probably gonna be talking to you. Right. Crap. 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 Can't see. Never mind, I'm going over here. Now bonk. Don't you dare. What's in here? Nothing. Don't know what that kind of does.